Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a first look at the brand new Changan Avatar 12, a luxury vehicle that has already captured attention for its elegant exterior and premium interior design. This car is the latest example of how the automotive industry is moving towards combining modern technology with high-end comfort and futuristic styling. The Avatar 12 is more than just another release. It is a bold statement from Changan and Avatar about how they envision the future of luxury mobility. If you are curious about the details of its sleek body, sophisticated features, and premium cabin, then stay tuned as we walk through everything that makes this model stand out. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Changan Avatar 12 speaks the language of luxury. The body lines are smooth, elegant, and aerodynamic, giving the car a strong road presence. Its front profile is highlighted by a distinctive lighting system that combines modern LED technology with a futuristic pattern, making it instantly recognizable. The bold grille design adds a touch of strength and confidence, while the sculpted hood and flowing side panels emphasize refinement. Large wheels and a balanced stance complete the picture, ensuring the Avatar 12 not only looks premium, but also delivers functionality in terms of stability and aerodynamics. Every angle has been carefully designed to reflect modern luxury with a futuristic touch. Moving to the rear, the Avatar 12 continues its attention to detail with a sleek taillight design that stretches across the back, creating a seamless look. The lights are sharp, stylish, and add to the car's distinctive identity, especially at night. The rear bumper is crafted with precision, combining elegance with practicality, and the overall proportions of the car ensure it has a commanding yet graceful presence on the road. Unlike many vehicles that focus heavily on just one side of design, the Avatar 12 maintains a consistent level of luxury from front to back. This harmony makes it a true premium vehicle in every sense. Now let's step inside, where the real magic of the Avatar 12 comes alive. The interior is designed to provide a sense of space, comfort, and innovation all at once. As soon as you open the door, you are greeted with a cabin that feels modern, elegant, and welcoming. The seats are wrapped in premium materials, offering both comfort and durability. The craftsmanship is visible in every stitch, showing the level of detail that has gone into designing this car. Spacious legroom and headroom ensure that both drivers and passengers experience the ride with complete ease, no matter how long the journey. The dashboard is futuristic yet practical, featuring large digital displays that serve as the main control centers. With smooth integration of touch panels and advanced user interfaces, the interior feels less like a traditional car and more like a luxury lounge on wheels. Ambient lighting runs across the cabin, creating a relaxing atmosphere that can be adjusted to match the mood of the journey. The use of soft-touch materials and high-quality finishes further elevate the premium feel, ensuring that every detail inside the car is in line with its luxury positioning. Comfort is clearly a top priority in the Avatar 12. The seating design supports the body perfectly, reducing fatigue during long drives. The climate control system is intelligent and maintains the cabin environment at an ideal level, no matter the conditions outside. Even the smallest details, such as the placement of cup holders, storage spaces, and armrests, are carefully thought out to enhance convenience. For rear seat passengers, the space feels equally premium, with amenities that ensure every ride is enjoyable and relaxing. This attention to both driver and passenger comfort is what sets premium cars apart, and the Avatar 12 delivers that experience effortlessly. Of course, luxury today is incomplete without technology, and the Avatar 12 integrates it seamlessly. The central display is large, clear, and highly responsive, offering access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Drivers can interact with the system through touch, voice commands, and even gesture controls, making the experience futuristic and intuitive. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel provides real-time driving information in a sleek format, ensuring clarity without distractions. Connectivity features allow smartphones and other devices to integrate smoothly, turning the cabin into a connected hub for both work and entertainment. Audio quality is another area where the Avatar 12 shines. Equipped with a premium sound system, it delivers clear, immersive sound that makes every journey more enjoyable. Whether it is music, podcasts, or calls, the sound experience feels balanced and high-end, reflecting the overall luxury theme of the car. Combined with the quietness of the cabin, thanks to superior insulation, the Avatar 12 creates an environment that feels peaceful and sophisticated. On the performance side, while today's focus is on design and luxury, it is important to note that the Avatar 12 is expected to deliver smooth, efficient, and powerful driving experiences. As an advanced vehicle, it benefits from electric mobility technology, ensuring both performance and sustainability. The driving modes are designed to adapt to different conditions, allowing for flexibility in how the car responds on the road. Comfort and stability remain at the core, making sure the luxury experience continues not just inside the cabin, but also during every moment of driving. What makes the Avatar 12 special is the way it combines premium design, cutting-edge technology, and thoughtful details into one harmonious package. From the bold exterior styling to the relaxing, tech-filled interior, it sets a benchmark for what modern luxury should look like. It does not try to imitate traditional luxury vehicles, but instead creates its own identity, one that feels futuristic yet deeply rooted in comfort and elegance. The Changan Avatar 12 is more than just a car. It is a reflection of how the definition of luxury is changing. Today's luxury is not only about expensive materials, but also about innovation, comfort, and a seamless blend of technology and lifestyle. The Avatar 12 delivers on all these fronts, making it a true standout in its class. As we wrap up this first look, one thing is clear. The new Changan Avatar 12 is designed to impress. With its premium exterior lines, elegant proportions, and striking presence, it captures attention instantly. Inside the luxurious cabin, advanced technology and thoughtful details create a space that feels futuristic yet comfortable. This combination of style, intelligence, and craftsmanship makes it a strong contender in the premium automotive segment. So, what do you think of the new Avatar 12? Does its luxury design and high-tech interior match your expectations of a premium vehicle? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars and technology. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.